Hi there. Let's do another example of comparing fractions where the denominator is different than the other denominator. So I'm going to do 2/8 and I'm going to compare it to 2/4. So we're going to compare these two. Remember, when we talk about denominators, it's always the bottom number. Some of you have forgotten that. The denominator tells you how many total pieces we have. Hopefully I spelled that right. The top number is always called the numerator. Okay? Numerator, denominator. The numerator tells us how many pieces we're talking about. It's not the total pieces like the denominator. It's how many pieces we're talking about. So let's compare these two fractions. And we're going to do it by drawing rectangles. And when we compare, we have to draw the same exact rectangle on top, next to each other so you can see. So you want to draw two exact rectangles that kind of look alike, which I kind of look alike there. And remember, the bottom number, the denominator, tells us how many total pieces we have. So this is going to be this one. So we're going to try to divide it into 8 pieces. Easy way to do that is divide it in half. You have 2. Then you divide it each half into half. Now we have 4. And then we just divide it one more time, each half into half. And magic, we have 8 pieces. Okay, this is going to be this fraction right here. And we're going to shade in 2 of those pieces. 1 and 2. So 2/8. And this is how long it is, or how big it is. Okay, now we're going to divide this into 4 pieces because that's our bottom number. Total number 4 pieces. So got 2 pieces now. Divide those in half. Now we have 4 pieces. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy. Anybody can do it. And we're going to shade in 2 of those pieces. 1, 2. Well, so which one? Now looking at the shaded part, which shaded part looks bigger? The 2/8 or the 2/4? All you have to do is look at the shaded part and the arrows. This one is bigger, right? That's bigger. This one is smaller. So you want to write that 2/8 is smaller than or less than the 2/4. If we have the 2/4 over here and the 2/8 here, the symbol changes. The 2/4 is larger than the 2/8. And that is why.